Hi everyone on YouTube, this is the Mako EA. This is a trading update for Thursday the 6th of February 2020, today being Thursday, and I'm pleased to say another cycle, another completed profitable cycle for the Mako EA, plus 1.3% on the overall account balance. Everybody's happy. So let's have a look at actually what happened in the markets today. Okay, so the chart, what we're looking at now is the live trading chart which we've got for the GB pound versus the US dollar. As you can see, there's nothing in the market. The balance and equity are exactly the same, so we're now out of the market. Everything's done and dusted, but I'll just take you through the actual day, what's basically happened. Now we set the Mako EA off at London opening, which is around about this point here, plus 2 hours on the actual broker feed. So we started looking for a rise up, and then the market decided a little bit of time after that it wanted to come down. So we got a few buy trades, and we took some more sell trades, hoping that at this point here that we'd get out. But obviously the market had different ideas. It took some more buys, came all the way down, and again we're looking around about this point here to get out, and then the market decided around about lunchtime UK to actually come up, and so it's taking more buy trades, more sell trades at this point here. And it's just a bouncy day. It's one of those days where it didn't really range too far, and it went up, went down, went up, went down, just one of those. And it wasn't until this point, sort of around about 3:30 time, that we hit target and we're done for the day. Now tomorrow is non-farm payroll day, and non-farm payroll day, for those who are new to trading, means that that it's a big data release in the United States, and that can be quite a volatile market. So we tend not to trade that if we can help it. The only time we would ever trade that is if a cycle actually comes onto non-farm payroll day, and it's always a bit dicey then, because obviously the market goes up and down very, very quickly, and often trades don't get filled. So it's good to be out of the market, and we can just watch the market tomorrow and not have any stress whatsoever, because we're not actually trading in the market, which is always good. Now, so you can see, significant today was the fact that the market opened up for the first time this week under $1.30. So yesterday the economic news, or the political news in America, was that the impeachment for Trump was all done and dusted. He got off the hook and he's now back to business, and that's always positive for the dollar, because basically what it means is everything's a little bit more stable, and there's no chance of the president getting kicked out of his office at this point in time. Watch this space, you never know with him. But from today, there was no economic data for the GB pound. It was all about the US dollar. We had the positive news for the jobless claims, which Trump was talking about yesterday. So I kind of gathered that we might have a downward trend on the GB pound, because obviously he's talking, the fact is that there's less unemployment in the United States. So I would imagine that he would have had that information yesterday, causing the actual the market to come down. Obviously a strong dollar means a weaker pound, and that means it's been reflected as it is, although it's not a straight line. It's never a straight line, but it did come down today. And at this point in time, it looks like the pound might just actually close, depending on what happens in the next. Well, basically London's closed now, so it's just America. And I would imagine we're not going to go too far off this particular point here. It might even drop down to $1.29. But like I say, we're out of the market now until Monday. The next update on YouTube will be on Monday. Just before I go, let's have a look at the independently verified results page. This is tracked by a site called FX Blue. So we started off with just over $3,000 45 days ago, and remember, this is all completely automated trading, guys. This is not somebody sat at the screen all day long watching this thing. This is completely automated. The balance now is 4,258. The equity is exactly the same, which means we've got no floating trades, and we are up 38% from that particular time in 45 days. Now bear in mind, we've had Christmas and New Year. We don't tend to trade those, and we don't trade the weekends either. So in probably around about 33-34 days, it's made an incredible 38%. Okay, the monthly return for February is 22.7. Everybody's happy. Everybody who has an account hooked up to the Mako EA is making money. So if you are thinking about looking for something which is going to make you consistent money through trading Forex, then look no further than the Mako EA, because we will get you hooked up. Our master account will trade your account, and you will make money. It's as simple as that. Our gain, or our aim and our gain, is normally around about 1% plus a day. We aim for 1%. Sometimes we get a little bit more, and that's always a good thing. And as you can see from this graph here, it's just a steady rise up, and that's all we want to do. 1% a day doesn't sound a lot, but you do that 19 days a month. We don't trade obviously on the first Friday of every month, non-farm payroll days, but 1% plus, okay, like I say, 22.7%, okay, is what we are gaining per month, and hopefully that might even be higher if we have a good week next week as well. So if you have any questions, come and join us. Okay, go through to the website, fill in the form if you want to talk to us about things. More than happy to come and get you on board. So I'll see you in the next update, folks, and thanks very much for watching.